I'm Xinhua correspondent Wang Shen. I'm now reporting from Nauru. Nauru's government issued a statement on Monday, announcing that it recognized one China principle, served the so-called diplomatic relations with the Taiwan authorities, and the willing to resume diplomatic relations with China.
I do recognize the one China principle, and yes, I agree with the government that severing relations with Taiwan. It's good. I've seen a lot of positive feedback from other countries, neighboring countries, where diplomatic ties has been resumed with China and Pacific small countries. I have a very big, high expectation with China and Nauru relationship.